Breaking news just into our newsroom from Madison. The Wisconsin Supreme Court has reinstated the use of absentee ballot boxes ahead of this year's elections. The 4-3 ruling is a reversal of a July 2022 decision for the court that banned nearly all ballot boxes. Democrats had argued the use of the boxes made voting more accessible, while former President Trump and some Republicans previously argued the boxes and absentee voting saw widespread fraud. Today's ruling means local clerks can use ballot drop boxes in the August primary and the November general elections. This is something we will continue to follow. For the very latest, go to WBAY.com and we will see you back on the air at noon.